Hello and welcome to this video. Today, friends, I will share with you step by step how to find IBAN in Nordea Bank. So, friends, if you want to find your IBAN in Nordea Bank, all you have to do, follow me in this video. First step or first method, go to your WISE, as you can see here, IBAN calculation. From here, you have different options. You can check your IBAN, click already have IBAN code if you have codes. So if you don't have, write your bank code and then write your bank account number. You have two options here. This is for example for this IBAN. You will see this one, and this is for bank account number. You will see it looks like this. Copy this one, paste this one, and then copy this code. Click paste this code from here, and then click calculate your IBAN, and then you will see your IBAN here. Just copy this IBAN and then you can use as a bank, as you can see here. So if you have a mobile app, open your Nordea app, click three line here, and then you will see your IBAN details, as you can see here. This is how you can do, friends. I hope that this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this